This is how to create an AWS S3 bucket. I've gone into S3 at the top, select S3, Scalable Storage in the Cloud. From there, I'm going to click Create Bucket. Now I'm going to type in the bucket name. This is going to be a public bucket as it's going to have a website under it. The region is in Sydney, which is where I am. Keep in mind the names that are in here have to be unique and must not contain spaces or uppercase letters, and that's unique across a global configuration, not just in Australia. Now here I'm going to turn off block or public access, as this bucket will be a public bucket. It's going to have a public website on it. If your bucket does not need to be public, do not untick this. Bad things will happen and you'll be in the news if you're on a corporate website and you accidentally make a bucket public. May result in buckets within becoming public. I accept that. Bucket versioning. In this case, it's not an issue. This is going to be a website, and I'm going to use Git to push objects into this website. So I don't need to have versioning in that because Git itself will have its versioning. And I'm not going to worry about encryption and so forth. And that's all good. So I'm going to click Create Bucket. Here's my bucket. I can upload some objects to that bucket, but most importantly, I'm going to have a website on that bucket. Static website hosting right down the bottom. So I'm going to click Edit here. I'm going to enable it. This will be straight. We're not redirecting to another object. So it's going to have a static website, index.html, be the default, and so forth. We're not going to do any redirection rules. For the most part, CloudFront's going to be hosting this bucket. Oh, I need to put one in there anyway. Save changes. Done. Now this bucket will be a public bucket. I can upload an index.html object into this S3 bucket, and I now have a static website that I can host. And the URL is here, blissfulaustralia.s3. So I can use that URL, I can publish it, I can share it, and I now have a bucket that is public. It is simple as that.